Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Whew, girl, it's been a long weekend. I am not really feeling all that great, to be honest with you guys. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, or if you guys know that my mom was here, and unfortunately she had to go back home, back to Mexico. She left yesterday, which was Sunday. And I'm missing her, so I'm a little bit down, but I will be okay. I didn't get a chance to film on Sunday. Usually I film Sundays and upload on Monday, which is today, so I had to film today and edit today, which is why this video might be going up a little bit later, maybe if you're seeing it at 7 o'clock. Hey. Anyway, today I wanted to do a quick review on the new KARITY Picante eyeshadow palette. This is a 21 warm eyeshadow palette. I got this sent to me I think last week, and I just been waiting for me to get this so I can do a review. You guys have been asking, some of you have been asking me to do a review on this palette, and I came up with this really cool like cut crease look. I haven't done a cut crease in such a long time, but I really like the way it turned out. So I'm going to show you guys what eyeshadows I used for today's look, and I'm also going to tell you what I think about the formula, the pigmentation, etc., etc. This is going to be a voiceover. I know that some of you don't like voiceovers, but like I said, I'm not feeling 100% myself, so I just need to get my life together today, and I will be fine on Wednesday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's start this makeup tutorial. My boob is itchy. Okay, so let's start with the Picante eyeshadow palette by KARITY. I love the packaging. On the inside, as you can see, there's tons of mattes, 21 shades, and there's some beautiful shimmer shades in there. We're going to start with a shade right here, which is called Bittersweet. I did already apply my base. I used my Kevyn Aucoin concealer number 6, and I have been liking it because it does have a sticky residue, or it has a sticky finish to it, I guess, which allows the eyeshadows to really stick onto the base and pop. If you guys want your eyeshadows to pop, don't set your base, just go in straight after you've applied it. I did take that shade and I just packed it onto the crease first, and then I will go back and eventually blend. But I have been liking to do, I like to do these steps. I don't know, I just feel like it makes my eyeshadows a little bit brighter. Now I'm going to go in with my third shade. I don't remember the name of it. I forgot to grab my palette and I'm too lazy to run downstairs. But I took that shade and I applied it onto the highest point of my crease. I wasn't too satisfied with the lightest or the lighter shades on this palette, to be honest with you guys. They lacked oh my god, I cannot speak. They lacked pigmentation. There we go. And so, yeah, I wasn't too happy about that. Now, I took some of these little post-it little sticky things because I wanted to do a really nice, clean, like a crease, and I didn't have any Scotch tape. So this worked though. So you gotta work with what you got, girl. Anyway, as I was saying, I did have a few issues with the lighter colors in the palette. They just weren't showing up as pigmented and as bright as I wanted them to be. What I did is I went in and did a full half cut crease, I believe, or a half cut. I don't remember what they're called because I haven't done these in a while. But these are not your typical or your regular half cut crease. I went back into the palette and I picked up that super pigmented shade. Yeah, I was shook. That one was really pretty. It has the most gorgeous golden undertones I've ever seen on a pressed eyeshadow, and this was really pigmented, and I did use my brush with, in case you guys are wondering. Now what I did is I went back with that first shade that I applied on the crease and I just used it as an eyeliner. This look would look really, really pretty if you did an all matte, because the shimmer colors and the matte shadows just weren't lining up with each other too well. Like, I don't know, it wasn't happening. I did like how the look turned out at the end, but I felt like if it was an all matte look, this would have been a lot better. Now for my lashes, I popped on my lash collab with Lash Kitty. These are Drama Queen. I just felt like they would look good with this look. I don't know, I just can't stay away from dramatic lashes. Don't judge me. And by the way, you guys, the buy one get one half off sale on my lash collab is still going on. So if you have not been able to get your hands on either the Glam On collection or the Hermosa collection, now is the best time to get them. You can get 2 for yourself, or you can get 1 for you, 1 for your girlfriend, 1 for your sister, whoever it is. They are buy one get one half off. I do have a link on my description box that will take you directly to that page, and then you can use my code OMGlashes to save 10%. Now for my lips, I'm going to take the Italia lip liner in soft brown, and I'm going to line my lips. I know I didn't show you the rest of my face, but I will have another makeup tutorial where I show you like my winter foundation routine and all that jazz. And for my lipstick, I'm going to take the Dolce K liquid lipstick by Kylie Jenner. I really have been loving this lipstick combo. It's so pretty. Also, I wanted to ask you guys, what did you guys think of my background? Do you guys see that little coffee thing that I added? It's super cute, but I don't know. Does it look good? What do you guys think? Oh, and I did add some lip gloss at the end. And that completes this look/review on the new Picante eyeshadow palette by KARITY. I like it. If you guys haven't tried it out, check it out. It's super affordable and the colors are amazing. Thank you guys for joining me today. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Mwah.